站，阿妈年轻的时候，来的那么多，他们感情很深，身负重任，就在理想的那夜，给了阿妈一个吻，轻声说厚道。会不会唱？要离去，别再哭泣，不要相信，请你相信我，我正在我的爱陪你。Aku yang depan.
Hey, good morning, guys.
Hey, good morning.
It's a brand new day today with Kit and Chan, the famous singer. Kit Chan.
Chan.
Okay, we'll be having our breakfast. Take a look. Carrot cake, char kway teow, and noodles from the lucky fish ball. Then maybe can huat later for the. Okay, we'll see you shortly. Wow, look at the crowd. We are going to Sentosa now. Where's Ah Chang? Where's Ah Chang?
来，今天哥哥教你们一个idiom，这叫做人山人海。
叫你 walk in.
People mountain.
People see.
People see. Yeah, okay.
人山人海。
Yes, 人山人海. Now this one proves what?
This is our ERP system. Pay money you still jam. Tak ada express.
Correct. So you see the gem, human gem.
This one brain jam.
I think 我们还没 intro，
we haven't say what's our mission for today.
今天我们是要去找那个 forbidden， 也不是 forbidden。Find the hidden fort, the Fort Serapong.
Fort Serapong.
One of the Singapore history place.
It's hidden. It's kind of hidden.
Yeah, kind of hidden.
So we see whether we can find that.
So far we are trying the route B. If we miss, then it's route A.
Okay, we are going to the route B. We're taking the bus route B, going to Sentosa Cove Village.
Yep.
Okay. Where's the bus?
Must be
Sit there now. Okay, please tell us about the educational video. Let's go. What's the education for today?
Bus B 代表什么 ？Boy. Bus boy.
我们要去这个。
We are going to Sentosa Cove Village.
呢個係 Bus B 15分鐘。
15 minutes. Okay, let's wait for the bus. What you just asked me?
什麼東西是蓋不了嘛？
什麼東西？
丑是蓋不了的。
Please mind your head.
是啦。
You don't need to mind his head. It's a hot day.
这样。
哎，哥哥哥，要不要再抓鸡？
看一年。
You want to catch chicken again?
哎，
去ubin抓不到。
Local chicks cannot, Ubin chick cannot. You see Sentosa chick cannot.
这算 atas chick， 这个 atas 的。
Kampung 鸡，这个是掏 chicken。
掏 chicken。
Okay, we are in Woolwich Road. Yes. Yeah, here. Mount Serapong.
Serapong, pong啊pong。1943世界大战。
1843，1943。
对，我理解不是有一个1943。
没有1943。 Okay, it's time to spray some repellent. Repellent. Oh, spray. Snake. Okay, nice. Hey, you see the ants.
喺嗰邊咧，放我包飛。輕啊，輕啊，哇！黑仔豬啊！來猜，來。
Okay, let's go in. Oh.
他不叫旺财，他叫 Thomas。那家是阿毛教。
He's called Amoga.
阿毛教唔係叫旺財。
Okay, we're heading up the hill, I guess.
叫旺財啊！阿毛，我不叫旺財。
我不是旺财，我是 Thomas.
Thomas Lee 小毕。
Look at the abandoned house. Is that a house? No, that's not a house. That's like a bunker.
Oh,
Serapong Spur Battery.
In the year of 1908, plans for spur battery were drawn. That's all. 1935, a battery to modified. Okay.
to 6-inch BL gun，
6-inch.
你有 6-inch 吗？
Yes.
8 lah. Tadi
7.5.
来，带你们看一下里面。
You mean like going and see?
No, cannot because restricted area.
Can lah. You want to break the law.
You wanna break the law, break the law. There's no police here, so we're gonna break the law.
Application is required and access is strictly by approval.
This is the only place.
No lah, still got further lah.
Okay, let's go up. Is there anyone home? Can you knock?
敲敲门，你在不在 ？If got reply I'll run down. 你看那边比我先步更快。
Jam 到，才没有看到。
来，为什么你 jam 啊？
Jam
等一下我们跟你讲那个 reason why 他 jam in 10 seconds.
We're gonna jam.
In 10 seconds,
Yes.
他会 jam 了。
In 10 seconds, you see Achang jam.
有没有 jam？
He's jam.
Such a nice scenery.
Oh, another place.
欢迎来到我的住宿。
Hey, boop, boop. What's that? The boat sound?
他的脚。
什么？
Last time before they never color the knees one. They leave it blank.
Restricted area. This is one of the spots also. Can we like see what's inside there?
I think can 啊。
Just by taking a video to go up and see.
你全部不要拍了，那你就走。
Okay 啦，不用紧的，我有 protection.
Let you do the honors.
Please give us permission to take some videos. Thank you.
Can we smoke here? Can? No? Can?
Thank you. SDC Serapong stores. Oh, very high up the hill. What's this?
I think looks like toilet.
Abandoned toilet? No. What's that? restricted area, do not enter. But why do they have a stairs here?
One more building on top one.
There's another building there, right?
Ah.
Such a nice view. Whoa! Is there anything inside? Okay, mission a little bit failed. We didn't want to go in because they put there restricted.
And they asked us to pay money.
They want us to pay money to go in.
Yes.
Like a guided tour, but I think quite expensive. But next time then we will
I think
check it out.
per entry about 100 plus.
150, I think.
Yeah.
Then if the private tour is how much? 400 plus, right?
Yeah. Private tour 450.
So I guess they actually want to earn money.
Yeah. I think it's also because of the people safety lah.
Yeah.
So they don't want people go in.
Then like just
having
fall
issue.
or lost inside.
Yeah, got lost. So I heard there's also like an underground tunnel that you can go down.
Yeah. Maybe next time we will try the guided tour. When win 4D first.
So 要 like and subscribe for 我们的 channel， so 我们赚多点钱才有。
Correct, we earn more money, right? Then we can go in and show you guys. Okay, so where are we heading next?
Have a pint, have a pint, have a pint.
You want to have a pint? Yeah, you want to have a pint.
如果他滚下去的话，
If he 滚下去 I go for the guided tour now.
哦对哦，他有 accident plan，
Oh, he got accident plan
所以可以拿他的 insurance money。
and claim.
Accident plan cover high risk， 这个不算 high risk， 这个只是 normal walking fault now. But we don't encourage people to do any claims. But of course, it's good to have.
If you want to do claims, do like that.
Hey,
And his favorite phrase, 买保险没危险。
学得真快，我喜欢。走慢一点。
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
大家有懂这什么？哎，行了，大家有懂这什么 sign 吗？
不懂诶。
这个是 What comes around goes around， 有因必有果，你的报应就是我。
It is one of the Singapore dream.
All the atas rich people stay here.
We all dream that we can stay at this place one day.
Yeah, we can take a pic here. Wow.
小浪漫，
Hari Raya.
二人世界。
Okay.
来开拍，
有没有 stand 啊？
你就是 stand， 因为你在 stand 了。
It's recording.
Recording ah.
啊，
Okay, so today is a Sunday. We wanted to go Mount Serapong, but the entry need to pay money. It will be another day. We went up to some hidden place. It's a restricted area, so we will be chilling here for a while before we get some water to quench our thirst. Okay, this is Clarence. This is my kid.
My kid，
My kid.
这是强，小强。
Okay, so like and subscribe. Ciao. Ciao.
Okay, we decided to end our day at Toasties and take a break with some drinks. You can see the drinks behind. So we'll see you next time. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.
Bye.
Police 很多在 record，
Police what? Police what?
那听啊，
Police 什么？
对不起，忘记。
最喜欢警察了，我最喜欢警察了。
Police what? Please continue, bro.
我爱警察，警察爱我。这个要。哎，等一下，等一下，等一下，啊，再来，再来。
哎，走开！